Okay, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how to create a lesson in NearPod, and then you'll have a chance to actually try it out on your own. So on your home page, right here, you can either click Lesson in NearPod. There's also an extension in Google Slides. I prefer just creating in NearPod. There's a lot more functionality that way. So you click on that. You create a new lesson so you can title it. You can also edit like different details about it, which is really helpful if you're sharing with your team. Then to add a file you already have. So if you have PowerPoints and Google Slides, you can add them right here. So you can go to your Google Drive, you can upload from your computer, Dropbox, or anything from just Google Images you can add as well. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel if there is a presentation that you already have. If you want to just start from scratch, you're going to click Add Slide, and you'll see that there is content you can add, and there's also activities you can add. Okay, a good presentation has a mix of both of these, and really the activities are where the engagement is so much better, or at least in my experience, so much better on NearPod than it is in a typical just Google slideshow. One of my favorites is the Collaborate board. That's like Padlet or Google Jamboard that you can add right into your lesson. You can put in polls, quizzes. Time to Climb is like a quiz, but it's also a little game type thing, which my summer school students loved that this year. The content is really like limitless. You can add any video from YouTube. You can create your own slide. Web content would be like a specific website you want kids to go to. NearPod 3D is, I think, a new one that would be helpful for like science classes. These are science simulations. The field trip is excellent. You'll see when you have a chance to explore different types of field trips that they can, quote unquote, field trips. So tons of different things. You can add your own PDF, audio, slideshow. So let's just say I'm going to add a video just to show you what it looks like when you're done with the slide. So you can search within NearPod. You can YouTube it or upload a video. If you upload, the size maximum is not huge. So I would suggest uploading to YouTube first if it's a longer video. So if we're typing or teaching animal adaptations, you can add this in. You can also add questions within the video. So like they have to answer a question at some point in the video. So for all the content, you'll hit save in the bottom right. And now it shows up here. And then I'm just going to quickly add another slide. Web content. Here we go. So you would just paste a web address there. And now the slides are coming together. It's really quick if you have the materials that you know you want to teach with. You can drag them and change the order. You can always hit preview to see what it looks like to the students. And you could, so here's the web page that I had just added. And then you can save and exit and come back to it at any time. Okay. Sample, save and exit.